it is?
Oh, what it is?
What's up?
What's up?
Your nigga in the cup.
Hey you guys, this your girl Molly and I'm back at it with another wig video.
I like diamonds, I like studded, I like shine, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signed. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. Got my coins like Mario, yeah, they call me Cardi B. I run this shit, 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 run this shit. Express, the movement.
I guess I'm gonna put some makeup right there. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put my tan spray right there. I don't have time for that.
Trash.
Maybe we don't. Oh, what the fuck? Ooh. Bitch, I look like a little boy.
Okay, maybe we don't want to adjust the scraps because that's kind of tight.
Yeah.
Maybe they're supposed to be over a little more. Excuse me, my way giving it Humpty Dumpty.
You fucking lie.
This more like it. Okay guys, so boom, it's Halloween season. It's the season to Halloween. Okay, as y'all know, swagger jacket for me is recreating the look. Halloween season, why not swagger jacket? Cardi B, like the look, like, and I mean, I've been having this wig for a minute. I mean, it's inspired Cardi B look, so at the end of the day it's not gonna look exact because it's not. Cardi B had a crop top, but it wasn't like this. It had short sleeves, but it's okay. It is what it is. It's like you can't win all your battles, baby. This wig a while back from I don't even know, so I couldn't even say the company name if I wanted to. The wig is from Outre. It's a lace front wig. It's pre-pluck Swiss lace. I mean, it's giving. It's giving. It's supporting for me. It's giving. It's a 2-in-1 style, but let me tell you something, baby girl. See that bone? It's giving me very much grandmama.
No, ma'am.
Like, we don't do that. I don't like that. It's upsetting me and my homegirls. When I see my homegirls, the wig community, stop playing.
I said what I said.
You know, it's $30. Like, get your bang for your buck. Like, if you don't got 100 and up to spend on no hair or this style, girl, get this wig and flip the hair. Like, the fuck is you doing? Like, come on now, make it make sense. It's easy. It's an easy put on and go wig. Like, you see it. Like, stop playing. Flip 90's style has been viral, going around. Everybody been doing it. I done seen Kylie Jenner. I done seen Cardi B. Like, everybody been doing it. Like, it's viral right now. Like, matter of fact, the 90's and the 80's styles is viral right now. So, who wouldn't want to get a flip wig? Like, the
What?
look. Even in the up style. Like, this wig is called Sarita.
Stupid.
I do not know how to pronounce no names. Sarita. This wig is called Sarita. I got it in a 1B. They have multiple colors, but again, I stick to what I know. Black. You see that flip? Don't play with me. Tight on me, like, if some people wanted to glue this down, I don't know how they did it, because maybe I just hey, like for the girls with the 5 heads, you know what I'm saying? Like, head be your head blow up like a head.
Okay.
It's just a look. But again, I had bought me some I don't got no Chanel earrings, but these earrings giving, it's real fancy and it's giving vintage,
Okay.
or whatever. But yeah, I got these earrings from off Amazon. I got these necklaces, these chains from Walmart, and this Chanel outfit, basically what Cardi had on the table. I got this from off AliExpress. I might just take this out and put this on for the day before Halloween, just to put on something, cause I ain't even gonna spoil what I'm gonna be for Halloween.
Who the hell cares?
But anyways, yeah, it's like a look. It's giving, like, I literally wear this out, but you know I gotta do it neat and stuff like that. But the flips, it's giving me pimp downs, hoes in distress. Okay. Period. You wanna know how I did this flip style? You in my business? Don't do that. You like my hair? You like my hair? You see me. Stop playing. But anyways, you guys, so this was a easy put on and go type of wig. I mean, it's giving me a little sheen, and I ain't even gonna cap. See this back here? Like, I don't know if it's because my braids is old and it's giving Humpty Dumpty. I don't know about a Humpty Dumpty had a great bro. But I don't know. I think that's what it is. It's my way probably giving Humpty Dumpty, but it's like feel weird as hell in the back. Like, boy, I like it. It's giving, and it's giving. This just was a quick little 1-2 or whatever. Little Halloween inspired. I mean, it's too late for y'all though, but y'all could have put black. Could have put a black like bodysuit, whatever type of thing, romper type of thing. This is with a white shirt, and flip your hair in, baby. Cardi B it is. So now I put things together. Like, when I say I'm swagger jacking, I'm literally gonna come with it. I'ma look just like the person. What is that point of doing it? You hear me? Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Like, seriously, what are you doing? Like, join the fam. As of now, I will be calling y'all Molly Mafia, because at the end of the day, I have dudes on here too, so it don't make sense to see Glamour Gang no more. So it's Molly Mafia at this point, period. So that's what we going with. MMI Molly Mafia, that's what it is. I gave it the life it needed, cause this how it's supposed to been rocked on, period. Y'all know one thing, when I come through with them swagger jacking episodes, I don't miss, period. Y'all know what the fuck going on. I feel like this wig giving me Humpty Dumpty, but I feel like it's giving me Humpty Dumpty because my own self, like, girl, you need more braids. But I don't know. Y'all haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, cause if you didn't, what are you waiting for?
What are you waiting for, huh? What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for?
Huh? Till next time. Everything little you know when it's time. Everything little you know when it's time.